We all know how difficult it is to get the initial sales for a newly launched product, and every seller has some products that aren't well known to the customers. In such scenario, how can you improve your product traffic and conversion? Well, there are options like you can push from the PPC side, but requires a good budget. However, there is a program from Amazon which is known as the Amazon Influencer Program, by which you can promote your products for free. And the good thing is, it's getting famous. And you shouldn't miss the opportunity. This is Khalid from Ecomclips. And today's video, we are going to talk about Amazon Influencer Program. Like what the program is all about, how can seller get benefit from it, how to find influencer through it, and even if you want to be a part of this program, how can you enroll, and a lot more. So keep watching. So what is Amazon Influencer Program? As said, it is a program offered by Amazon that allows individuals who have a meaningful social media following like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Amazon normally accepts influencers with potential followers, and the accepted influencer receive a unique page like a shop on Amazon's website, where they can showcase a curated selection of their favorite products or promote other brands' products. This program has a number of benefits like if your item is not getting expected sales or if you're launching new products, using influencer is a great way to gain extra traffic on your page in real time and drive more sales. Or let's say when influencer embed your page links into their post, or simply speaking when they start promoting your products, you start getting more conversions and page clicks or views. This helps your page rank better on Amazon search engine. However, when you work with an influencer, you gain more ROAS due to the expanded brand reach, engagement, and sales. And lastly, it will help you to spread your brand name to the large number of customers. Now, there are two things that you can do. Like, if you have a good number of followers, you can enroll in this program and you can promote your products. At the same time, you can able to earn some extra cash. So, if you want to apply, visit the link. I will put this in the description. First, click on the sign up button. If you have a current customer account or an Amazon associate account, you can apply through that account by clicking on the sign in button. Otherwise, click on the create a new account. After creating the account, you need to connect your social media account to your applications so that Amazon can determine your eligibility. If you apply with Facebook or Instagram, Amazon will instantly let you know whether you are eligible or not. But if you apply with TikTok or Instagram, it may take up to 5 days. It would be better to apply with the account which has the most followers and engagement. If you are eligible, you need to add your social media profile links to complete the Amazon influencer profile. After that, it will ask you to provide the store name and page tagline. Add them accordingly and click on the continue button. Then, provide all the account information and click on the save and finish button to get your Amazon Associates dashboard. Upon accessing the dashboard, it is imperative to proceed by following the Amazon Influencer Program on Instagram, using the account through which you registered for the program. Otherwise, your application will not be approved. There are some requirements to apply for this program, and the qualifications are a bit rigorous. Amazon will analyze your social media accounts to determine if you are a good fit for the program or not. Now I am going to talk about the primary qualification for the influencer program. Number 1. Platform. When submitting your applications, Amazon will request a review of your public social media account where you have the most influence. Currently, the available options for reviews are Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Number 2. Follower count. Although Amazon doesn't specify minimum follower requirements, your follower count will be taken into account. It's important to note that while a substantial followers base may enhance your eligibility, it is not an absolute necessity. Number 3. Engagement. Amazon will look into your post consistency, post count, and metrics related to follower engagement because these metrics hold significant weight in determining eligibility. For example, let's say you have 10k followers on Instagram. In today's term, the number of followers is modest for an influencer. But if you don't have consistency in posting, likes, and comments on your post or sharing on social channels, you might be disqualified, even if you have 10k followers. Now, we're going to give some tips to create your influencer store to get the most outcome from it. You can add a custom logo and banner image to personalize a store homepage. It helps your followers to identify that is your page. You can organize different products from different categories for a better user experience. When a follower clicks on the category, all the products will be visible. To start adding products, click on the link provided to your dashboard. Next, click on Create Content. Now click on the idea list name, give a description and create it. So all are set to add items. You can add as many as possible items you would like. Here you can see some example of Amazon Influencer storefront. In most cases, sellers don't have many followers on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram or TikTok because Amazon is not such a marketplace where sellers can get sales easily. They need to work a wide range of tasks from inventory management to order processing and many more. Due to this, they don't get much time to focus on other things. However, if you don't have many followers on social media or thinking about how to reduce the extra cost of advertising, launching new products or getting sales for slow-moving items, the Amazon Influencer program still benefits you. You can hire a social media influencer and promote your products and brands. But how do you find them? There are some easy ways to find an Amazon influencer. You can find influencer from Found It on Amazon. We will also add the link in the description. Found It on Amazon showcases links to influencer storefront spanning various niches. It serves as an excellent resource for identifying Amazon influencer with established storefront. Check them out and see how you can work together. Browse Amazon Live. Resourceful Amazon influencers are utilizing Amazon Live and shoppable live stream to promote products and generate commissions. Navigate to the Browse All section in the menu to explore Amazon influencers across various niches. Also, there are some dedicated Amazon influencer marketplaces like Referjon that make it easy to find potential Amazon influencers, as well as some general influencer marketplace like IntelliFluence that will tell you which creator has an Amazon influencer store. So, this is how you can earn some extra money from Amazon by using your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. How to apply and set up your influencer store, how to find influencer as a seller, etc. We tried to explain all the things for your convenience. But if you have any question, drop them in the comments below or you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. You can also call us and book a same-day free consultation. We have more than 300 e-commerce experts who have been helping business all over the world for the last 12 years. We would love to help and work for you as well. Thanks for tuning in and we will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.